Hello, Hope. I happen to agree with your stance on this subject. Legislation is important when it comes to animal conservation. And as you stated, though, anything illegal that can still be done, like drugs, guns, or in this case, importing ivory, will still be done as long as that option is there. So local legislation does need to get involved to make it illegal to purchase and sell in general. So I agree with that. I also believe the elephants. This is a species that we will have to intervene shortly with at least with captive breeding and what I talked about. Now I know there's obstacles when it comes to captive breeding of animals of that size, such as giraffes, rhinos, and elephants. And one being their range. They need a big area to thrive successfully. But I do believe it can be done if all the zoos in the world work together. And this isn't generally to repopulate or send out to the wild. It's just so the species doesn't disappear. At least have a domestic bloodline that zoos can show the world while we then still try to fight the poaching. The ultimate goal, obviously, is to end poaching and let them thrive in the wild. But I do believe we can slow it down or help combat it with at least a domestic intervention. And this way, the species just doesn't disappear entirely. Thank you.